Welcome to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make the SKIBIDI DOP guy, also known as Yacin Cengiz, with clay. Let's go. First of all, I want to tell you guys a bit of the person I'm making. Yacin Cengiz is a rising Turkish TikTok star who has gained immense popularity in a short time. His unique approach to dancing with strangers has made him a sensation on the platform. He was born in Istanbul in Turkey and began his TikTok journey in March of 2021. I couldn't resist the urge of making only his head, which you have seen, I'm pretty sure, because this video of me making his head went incredibly viral with almost like 60 million views, I guess, and this is crazy. This is actually crazy, and yeah, that's why I'm making his whole body now. Yeah. I'm also making him because I've challenged myself to make more sculptures than I did last year, and last year I made like 40 sculptures, and yes, if I only make heads, I think that doesn't count. So yes, that's another reason of making his entire body. And also because before of making the head, I had thought of making the whole body, but I was too lazy, so yeah, now the time has arrived. Okay, now back to Yacin. He has collaborated with other popular Turkish TikTok stars like Yacin, who is also known for creating dance videos. Both have gained significant followings on the platform. As you can see, I'm making the toes now, and also I tried to make like the nails with a sharp tool. And yes, for the head, as you can see, I already made the head as I mentioned before, but I don't know, I decided to make a smaller head because yes, we wanted to be realistic. I'm pretty sure you guys know Burak, the famous Turkish chef who is always cooking or cutting an onion and smiling all the time. Yeah, he's very funny too, and Yacin Cengiz has also appeared with him. And yes, his income comes mainly from his work as a TikTok star. What a surprise. I was trying to find out on the internet what his income is, and some sites say he has won like $500,000 already. Others say he has made $1 million already, and another say he has made $3 million already. Yes, I guess no one knows exactly, but he has made a lot of money, I think. Yacin's success story began in March of 2021 when he posted his first TikTok video showing himself doing a belly bounce dance to a song that wasn't Dum Dum Yes Yes, which he would later become known for. Yes, it's that sound I used for the intro. Over the course of 2 years, his TikTok account received roughly 10.7 million plays and 250,000 likes. About a year later, on April the 8th of 2022, Cengiz posted a TikTok that was his first to use the song Dum Dum Yes Yes by Bizer King as the sound, which became his primary sound. Dum Dum Yes Yes became a viral dance trend that was replicated by others in mid-2022, and Yacin became the face of the trend. As you can see, I'm using a very thin metallic wire for the glasses, and it looks very good, I think. In his videos, he appeared in different outfits, and in one of them he appeared in a red outfit, and that's the one I'm making now. For the face, I'm using red clay. I will use black pastels for the beard and for the hair. Anyways, last month, in the February of 2023, there was a rumor that Yacin Cengiz has died in the Turkish earthquake that affected the southern part of the country. I saw many comments under my viral video of the head of Yacin Cengiz saying "Rest in peace, Yacin," but I kind of felt like this was fake. The rumor was started by a fake Instagram post about Cengiz's death, but it was debunked when Cengiz posted an Instagram story that showed his then current whereabouts. I have to mention this real quick. If you guys speak Arab, or yes, I think it's Arab, then please tell me in the comments what this sign means that I'm putting on his face. Yes, I have no idea what this means. Yacin Cengiz's TikTok and Instagram following have continued to grow, with him amassing around 7.5 million followers on TikTok and roughly 830,000 followers on Instagram by February the 17th of 2023. Yacin Cengiz's story is one of rising from humble beginnings to become a global social media sensation, just like KB Lame. His unique approach to dance and his infectious personality have captured the hearts of millions of fans, and his popularity continues to grow. While I was mixing the clay I needed for his shorts, something terribly happened. No, this is so sad. Okay, not really. But as you can see, I'm now adding the beard with a fine liner, and yes, I can already add the shorts I made with white clay and Sahara clay. If you're liking this video so far, then tell me in the comments which other famous TikTok star or YouTuber or any celebrity I should create next. I only had enough clay for one arm left, so that meant that I had to mix the exact same color with pale pink and a bit of brown. And then the problem is fixed, and I can just attach the clay to the wire to create the arms. With more exciting content on the horizon, Yacin's fans can expect more dance videos and collaborations with other popular TikTok stars. Cool, why not? As you've already seen, I'm making the hands now with a... what's it called? With a... there's no way I forgot it. With a knife? No, it's called... oh... scalpel, yeah, with a scalpel, and yeah, don't cut yourself. For the sunwalls, I decided to use chocolate brown clay. On both sides, of course. Then I can put it in the oven. I had to move the arms a bit so I could work better on the belly, and I couldn't resist of making this. What? I'm so dumb. For those who don't know what I just did, it's called a dab, and everyone did it in 2016. As you can see, I already started making his belly, and I will need a lot of red clay for it. And red clay again. You probably already realized how messy my desk is, but don't worry, sometimes it looks even worse. Actually, it's pretty clean. Because sometimes after a project with clay, my desk is so full of mess that I have to do my homework on the floor. Yes, I actually have to do this because, yeah, there's clay all over the desk and I'm sometimes too lazy to just clean it up, and yes. We do the same we did on the right arm, on the left arm too. For the collar or collar, I don't know how it's called, but we'll need red clay too. Surprise, surprise. And now we'll make the golden dollar chain around his neck, and yes, now I'm making the dollar sign, and also I used golden wire for it, and I'm just gonna place it on the body. And again, I'm doing this sign as I did on the vest too. Please someone tell me what this means. Maybe it doesn't even have a meaning and it's just a brand, I don't know. So if you know any further information, then just tell me. All I know is that it looks like a J and a 9, and this looks like a 4, but a 4 that has fallen. And now we can put him in the oven for the last time. I already told you many times that this is my favorite part of making a sculpture, adding the gloss varnish, and this time I'm adding it to the glasses and to the dollar sign. And finally guys, I can proudly present Yacin Cengiz, the SKIBIDI DOP guy made with clay. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let's forget the intro. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe to not miss any further videos, and tell me in the comments which character I should create next. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.